Hi, welcome to your favorite recipe. This is Yuna. Hello. I'm going to show you a very easy one-pot Swedish meatball. So one-pot Swedish meatball pasta dish. So it's a summertime here in Chicago. Therefore, yes, I got some sun. Chicago is the only place where you can get frostbite and sunburn in the same week. So I have a pound of beef, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, so this is a pound, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a bowl. All right, so I have 1585, so 15% fat, 85 meat. So that's what I have, and oh my God. I thought it was a hard-boiled egg, you guys. That was not to be scared. Onion, half of it. I like it on the oniony side. And the best way to chop onions is go ahead and just like, don't cut it entirely. Okay, and then from there, go ahead and vertically chop this. Put them together. Isn't that fine? Of course, our salt and pepper. Freshly cracked pepper and salt. Okay, now we have a cup of bread crumbs, seasoned bread crumbs. Actually, half a cup would work. Plenty. And I'm just using Progresso breadcrumbs Italian style because that is perfected. I don't even try to make this because why? So while I'm doing this, I'm also going to go ahead and turn on our heat. If you have been to IKEA, you know what they have? Swedish meatballs. I used to go to IKEA to eat. Can you believe it? They have like amazing food in my opinion. All right, so after a while, you're just gonna go ahead and use your hand. All right, so from here on, it's just gonna roll up to little meatballs. Oops, yep, I can see it by the smoke. I'm gonna turn it down just a tad. And some meatballs are gonna be bigger. Okay, look at that. And if the onions keep sticking out, that's fine. It's gonna be all delicious. Okay, looking pretty good. While my meatballs are about halfway through, I think. I still see some pink parts. So, what am I making for the sauce? While that's still cooking, let's go ahead and add our beef broth, which we were looking for 2 cups. And I'm going to go ahead and use, just go ahead and add, and then literally 2 cups of water. Because bouillon is just a concentrated paste, so it dissolves really easily in the water. All right, so it's gonna be 1 pot after the noodles have been boiled. But it's truly 1 pot if you use fresh pasta. In my case, I'm not using fresh pasta, I'm using dry pasta. And you can make it a 1 pot if you have a lid, but not too complicated. I'm just gonna go ahead and make the noodles so that eventually just add cooked noodles, cooked pasta in here. From here, I need a tablespoon of worcestershire sauce. So about a tablespoon of that. It's gonna be so great. Without this, it's not gonna be Swedish meatballs, I'm telling you. And of course, now we have our milk. Now, what kind of milk do you have? You're like, that's not milk, that's heavy cream. Oh yes, we're using heavy cream. So this is so cute, it's 8 ounce. And typically you'll need about 2 cups of that. So what I'm doing is I'm using a cup of heavy cream and a cup of water. Let's go ahead and add it in. So we're not going to, now because I need some starchiness from the pasta, I'm going to boil for only about 5 minutes or so. Great, done. Hey, I think that was actually enough amount, huh? What I'm going to do is just going to go ahead and grate our cheese. It's so fresh and so nice. Okay, and then lastly, some fresh chopped parsley. Go around and look at that. Super tasty, and it smells so good. Just like I'm back in IKEA all over again, I'm telling you. So, I'll lift this, it's like super heavy, but this is a dish that we made, and you can make this for like a big event because you just saw it. And ideally, if you use egg noodles or fresh pasta, you can just keep it in one crock pot, huge one, so people can serve themselves. Beautiful summer dish. So if we're not connected on Instagram, please, let's be friends. I'm at Yuna Cooks, and every single week on YouTube, I upload a new video with a new recipe. It's not always Asian recipe. So, I mean, obviously, because today I made a Swedish meatball pasta. So I'm gonna upload a new one every Tuesday. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.